Welcome back to the channel Prado and 5555, and today, we're diving into one of the most talked about hybrid supercars of the future, the 2026 BMW i8M. BMW has taken a bold step forward with this one, blending futuristic design, advanced performance, and luxury features that are turning heads everywhere. The first thing you notice about the 2026 i8M is its aggressive, aerodynamic look. The car now features a lower and wider stance compared to the previous i8. The sleek laser headlights blend perfectly into the sculpted hood lines, and the kidney grille, though still iconic, is now closed off, signaling its electric nature. The new venting system isn't just for show, it's functional, keeping the drivetrain cool while improving airflow. Around back, the taillights are sharp and futuristic, wrapping around the rear in a continuous LED strip. The doors still open upwards in that signature butterfly style, but they're now lighter and more seamless thanks to the use of carbon fiber reinforced materials. Step inside, and it's clear BMW didn't hold back. The interior is a beautiful blend of digital innovation and premium comfort. A curved OLED display stretches across the dash, merging the infotainment system and instrument cluster into one. Everything is touch or voice activated now, with haptic feedback added for better user control. BMW's iDrive 9 system feels lightning fast and incredibly intuitive. The seats are sculpted, sporty, and surprisingly comfortable for long drives, covered in a mix of Alcantara and vegan leather options. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adapts to drive modes and even your mood, creating a truly immersive experience. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, or should I say, under the floor, we have a plug-in hybrid setup with a turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with dual electric motors. Combined, they produce an impressive 591 horsepower. The all-wheel drive system launches the i8M from 0 to 60 in just under 3.2 seconds. The steering feels tight, the suspension adaptive, and the regenerative braking is smoother than ever. You also get a fully electric driving range of around 60 miles, perfect for city cruising without emissions. BMW's engineers have worked hard to balance performance with sustainability, and it shows. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW i8M is expected to start around $160,000, though with customizations and packages, it can easily touch the $180,000 mark. It's not cheap, but for a hybrid supercar that offers performance, style, and next-gen tech, it's definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you like this breakdown and want more futuristic car reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.